was on the OG small block Chevy 57355 about the machine work and the parts I used to build it. So the machine work was done at a local shop, and it was a line board, and the rods were resized, and ARP rod bolts were installed. The pistons it was bored out 30, honed, and the pistons were pressed on at the machine shop. And that's about what they did. And so the intake and fuel system, ignition system, will be a Elder Block ProFlow 4. I had the manifold cerakoted. Don't know what heads I'm going to use yet. Haven't decided. The timing chain cover, what you could barely see through there, is a Elder Block timing cover for my keyboard warriors, and cam timing chain set. It's all in there. All right, ARP cam bolts, ARP oil pan bolts. So here's the pistons, 30 over, Sil Power forged pistons, press in rust pins. Here's the rings. Let's see their focus. There we go. Hastings, the original leader, 30 over. There we go. And then the main bearings, or those might be the rods. Those are the rods. Are king bearings. There's the part number. And then the main bearings are king bearings too. And then the camshaft is comp cam. There's the part number. It's flat tappet. There's the lifters right there. Come on, focus. There we go. That's the part number for the lifters. Then the valve springs will be used right here. There's the part number. Here's the rear main adapter from a single sill rear main, or one sill rear main, to a two part rear main. And then here's the oil pump I used right here, Mellings. There's the part number. Here's the pickup I used. There we go there. There's the push rods I'm going to use. This is the oil pump stud that I used, ARP stud. So, there we go. And the pan gasket is a Felt Pro. There's the, it's a one-piece Felt Pro, universal, fits either right or left-hand side dipstick. Here's the cam card. So you can see it. Pause the video if you want to read it. Here's the main, ARP main studs. It's only a 2-bolt, so only a 2-bolt main kit. Here's the timing chain I used. It's coils, nothing fancy, just a regular old coils. And here's the harmonic dampener I used, Speedmaster, fluid dampener. Give it a try. It'll either break the end of the crank off or it won't. And this is pretty much all the parts in the motor. And this is the way, really similar, that I built these motors back in the late 70s and 80s, all the way up till now. I mean, it's been a recipe that's worked. I have one of these motors I built when I was about 17, 18. Guy still got it in a square body. Got about 300,000 on it. He's never unbolted it, so he claims. He's never taken the pan off or did everything. I think he ended up fuel injecting it, with some sniper or something like that, or Vitec. But other than that, I don't think he's had it apart. It says he's got about 300,000 on it. Now, he's not a beater, he's just a cruiser, so probably no problem going that far. There is forged rods in it, forged GM rods, and that's about all I have to say on that. So there you go, there's a parts overview, machining overview. So, thanks for watching.